What day is it? It is Snap on Wednesday! Oh yeah! You're gonna like this thing, man. I use mine almost every day.
Yeah.
It sucks.
I like that.
And blows.
That one really sucks.
What if I put diff?
He'll be taking it home.
Yeah,
I
man,
need
you
one
can.
for
You can
home.
do diff oil
Yeah.
in there? It'll be fine?
Yeah. Well, how's it going, Tyler?
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. It's been a few weeks.
Kind of
Holidays are over. Back to work.
Oh, yeah, I know, it sucks.
Yeah.
Kind of like Jesse's extraction pump. It sucks.
I was going to ask him what its load rating is.
Load rating.
How much load can it take?
Oh, you guys. Disgusting.
Freaks.
Yeah. What's going on?
All right, Mr. Tyler.
Well, almost 9 liters. I don't think you got that in you, Jesse.
Oh, 9 liters. Every time I come, I produce a quart.
That is offensive.
Oh my god.
Like for last year?
I really gotta watch that movie again.
Yeah.
I keep on saying it, but I do. Step Brothers.
Hey, we wanted a jack, right?
Yeah, that
Here's,
one's, what's that jack worth there, Tyler?
1 second.
$1,000?
$1,000.
You get what you pay for, man.
You think I'm kidding?
Is it?
Is it one of the
No
expensive
way.
ones?
It jacks the car up by itself.
So we don't actually need a list. We usually sit down with it, right?
They want to see what it is so that they can say yes.
Who's they?
Fucking the company here,
The accountant,
the accountant.
before he signs the T2200.
He can determine whether I need a tool for my job or not. I'm not sure how, but hey.
You didn't need that toolbox.
Dude, I could probably push through a chop saw fucking receipt. And
Yeah,
it wouldn't
probably.
go. DeWalt chop saw? Cool.
Yeah.
Yeah,
What do you need that?
sounds-
What do
sounds
you use
legit.
that for?
Sounds legit.
To answer your question, the 2-ton floor jack is
Yeah.
$669.
Oh, okay.
Oh, you were a little off there, buddy. You got what you paid for.
That's a nice one.
Was it a 5-ton?
So
Because we're in the need of we're in the market for a new one in the shop, but
says-
I'm pretty sure they're gonna go with Lordco.
2-ton.
Yeah.
2-ton.
Lordco. Which reminds me, the Lordco trade show is coming up in a couple of months.
So
What the heck?
Hey, do you have a dial indicator?
No.
I'm gonna need a dial
Hey.
indicator.
Those are cool.
What's that?
Clamp locks for coolant hoses.
Oh.
Yeah, how many engines are we doing right now? Upper, lower rad hoses, and then just locking them in place,
I mean, I don't know. It's funny that
right? That's not a bad it's not a bad idea. But I wonder if it keeps them stretched and then they. Well, you got 3 different sizes though. You're only going to be using.
There you go.
I always replace that.
Do you replace them?
I replace the clamp.
Okay.
There's gear.
Well, I pressure test it after I do an engine just to make sure anyway. That's a good idea though. HCL103. Never seen that before. And again, we always see things on this truck that I've never seen before. I guess jackasses outside are going to want you to move, so they don't know how to drive.
Oh
It's like a garbage truck outside or something.
yeah. Yeah.
What do you mean you're over here? Dude, she sleeps and breathes this shit. She's seen him last year this year.
What else were you saying that you were gonna get?
The apprentice
Oh, there you
tool
go.
tax credit.
You got him. I love those things, man.
Okay, so I got that credit for the taxes I pay on the tools again.
You can do one or the other. A T2200 form for income tax basically states that those tools are required for your position, in which case you can write them all off.
Yeah.
Alternatively, there is a apprentice tool tax credit,
Yeah.
Yes.
and don't forget to apply for your grants. Right?
As well.
You can get $1,000 after first year, $1,000 after second year, and $2,000 after fourth.
Yeah.
When you're an
Right,
apprentice,
you're on
can
the
you
ball.
write it all off? You write all your tools off, though, don't you? Like
No.
as a flat rate technician, we're only entitled up to $2,500.
Yeah,
To write off.
They're different. There's an apprentice tool tax credit,
Yeah.
and it is a mathematical formula.
Yeah.
Then there's the journeyman tool tax credit, which
Yeah.
you'd apply for,
Yeah.
or a T2200 form. The T2200 is the only one that allows you to write everything off.
Because we are required to have these tools to work.
Yeah. I'm doing the T2200.
Yeah.
I thought we could only write
You just
off like
print them off.
$500.
You just print them off anyway. Well, you get a portion of that $2,500 back, which is I
taxes
think
on
somewhere around $500.
The income tax that you would have paid
Yeah,
on the dollar
on that.
figure, you would
Yeah.
get back.
That's how they work.
Yeah.
Beats a kick in the pants, boys.
Yes.
Happy New Year,
Get-
motherfuckers. Snap on Wednesday. The shocker.
We're back.
The shocker.
Let's put these on this pan.
All yours. Done.
It's a nice one.
Hey, Tyler, this oil dude is if we can move a couple feet forward.
I can do that.
Ah, for
Absolutely.
fuck's sakes.
This oil dude.
The loop.
Because they don't
You
know.
get to go for a ride in the snap truck, man.
Oh, there we go. Everyone, hold on to your seats.
Chip error. It's in.
Shove it in harder.
I shoved it in so hard.
We're moving.
Whoa.
I've driven it before.
Have you?
Yeah. Yeah, he told me to move it one day. So I got in and drove it. Oh, you gotta go more? Oh, now you gotta go backwards? These guys don't know how to drive, I tell you. Oh, now we got Kevin.
One way, move another way.
Kevin wants out.
All right. Dun, 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 dun. What did you say? Chip error?
Oh yeah, it was. You put it in hard enough. You gotta put it in hard.
Wow.
Gotta put it in hard. Oh.
Careful.
Yeah, I am.
Bam.
Perfect. Thank you.
Thank you for shopping Snap-on. Please come again.
I will.
Of course he will. Oh, what's going on, Tyler?
Another day living the dream.
Yeah. What you got new? You got new stuff? This one back? Or is that a different one?
Different.
Well, that is different, isn't it?
It is built in. I mean, we had ones that have the 18-volt battery
That's
pack.
right. Yeah, yeah.
We did have a version of this, I don't know, 8 months ago, maybe a year ago.
Well,
There was a
they
problem
got-
with the electronics and got recalled.
Oh, okay.
That one replaces it.
Okay. So that one's all one unit.
Yep.
That's cool.
4,000 lumens.
4,000 lumens.
Light up your life.
That's insane. That thing's got to be so bright.
All
Wow.
the specs are back here. 2 hours on high, 20 hours on low.
Holy. That's not bad. Even on low, probably. What's how many lumens are on low?
300.
300. That's still pretty bright. Wow. do lots of work at home there, bud?
No.
I think Jordan does.
I'm in an apartment building.
Oh, that's right, yeah. Yeah, me too.
Or I would.
Yeah.
Do you get payment?
No, that's why you go to work. You do the work at home.
Or at work?
At home. Yes.
Oh, anyway. Well, I think it's time to go back into the shop. All right. See you guys back in there.
70.
All right, guys. Welcome back to Snap on Wednesday here in the shop. We're back, so that's cool. Yeah, so you saw the truck stuff. You saw what was it? The new light. That thing's pretty cool. Yeah, obviously that one was replaced. That was a replacement for another one, so that's pretty cool. Yeah, that one's not battery operated, 18 volt battery operated, but it is a rechargeable light, so that's pretty nice light, super bright. Anyway, what did I get off the truck today? Well, we've been doing a lot of engines, so I'm afraid to puncture a hose, you know, using these things. So I ended up getting the wide tip radiator hose pick set SGA102BR, about 80 bucks to me. Those things are pretty cool. I'll open them up. I'll show you guys exactly what I am talking about. So the ends of these hose picks are flat, so you don't damage any hoses. So I look forward to using those. I should have got them in orange. In fact, I'll just order the orange handles and swap them over because I already own them. So anyway, that's pretty cool. I hope everyone had a really eventful Christmas holiday season. Happy New Year to you guys. And that's pretty much all we got going. I am going to be doing the flyer, starting the flyer again this year, and hopefully go through that. This will be up probably in the next 2 days. Yeah, so that should be good. So we got a couple. We got a new face in the shop. You haven't seen him yet. He is a full licensed tech. So we have 4 techs in the shop now. We're looking for another apprentice. So business is picking up. It's booming. We're doing good again. It was a little bit of a rough spot there for a little while, but you know, with everything that's you know, we're making the money again. So hopefully I hope everyone else is too out there. I hope everyone in the shop is making money. I know my paycheck's starting to go back up again, so that's all I care about. Anyway, that's pretty much all I got for you guys. Remember to comment, like, share, subscribe. Check me out on Instagram, Patreon, Facebook, and all those social media outlets. And peace out, guys. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.